God.
He's staring
there
at
he
that.
goes. It's pretty firm on the ground. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Top layer here.
So, yeah,
Stay in the middle.
Yeah, right.
All right, we called a bit of an audible because, as expected, trail is not clear at all. No making it all the way down to the Rocky Knob, but we do have, so we're here and we're gonna do this. We'll do a little bit of it. I don't know how far we're gonna go, but boy, is it cold. I think it's time to start moving before we freeze to death. I wanna get a fire going as quick as I can. Actually, I gotta, Elijah, you ready? I'm gonna do the same thing, actually. I think we maybe bit off more than we can chew.
First day out, already scared.
Yeah, me
Missing
too.
home.
I'm calling my mom. We're getting helivaced out of here. Yeah, this is gonna be something.
Oh, that's sick.
Look at that.
This almost doesn't look like trail to me.
Yeah, kind of
The way it's
fades.
grown up like that.
Yeah, I don't know. My gut says this way
Yeah.
because this goes downhill. I don't know if we want to do much more. I don't know, much more downhill. How far do we want to go before, like a
Water.
campfire ring in the snow? Or I don't think we're gonna be close to water
Yeah.
either. That way we can actually.
We want time to dig out. 'Cause
Right.
We don't want
Yeah.
to. We need to clear a spot for the tent.
Yeah. Okay.
And a fire. We gotta cut firewood.
Yeah. This is more work than I thought it would be, but it's fun. Pretty much exactly what I had hoped for in terms of weather. This is like perfect. I guess another thought is if we're gonna get high winds, a sweet spot of not too dense,
Yeah.
but dense.
Yeah. Oh, there's a deer.
This is fun.
I like that.
It looks like it's a little hilly right there. We found a great spot. We're gonna try to get a fire going. There's a lot more snow than I thought there would be. We forgot shovels, so we're being innovative. How's it working?
Not bad.
That's what we like to hear. Would it help to like
Pick up.
Like, this is big shot.
Clear a spot here, and then do the fire out here in the open.
Exciting.
This is a good spot.
Right around here.
Fire.
Dig a little fire pit out.
That's the next step.
I like it. I guess we didn't bring chairs.
What?
We didn't bring chairs, I guess. We can probably find like a
Log.
log to drag over.
Yeah. Next step is clearing a fire range.
We bet the axe chopped down a perfectly good tree.
Yeah, it's like a young, lively tree.
Ooh. All right. You all saw this coming. The next KIT, Karen information tidbit. So we have dough. Needs to rise, obviously. So, best place to let it rise, the chest.
All right. Connor has found us a sitting log. How are we getting it out?
Or take some weight off the side.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's moving a lot.
There
Yep.
we go. Like, come on this angle. I can see it. Yep, I see it now.
There we go.
I got nothing.
Heads up. There we go.
We'll bring this one in there. Or at least,
Yeah.
also, we can sit down. It's worth it.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Moving it around the tree.
There goes my handhold. That's so close.
There we go.
This. A lot of work. Oh.
Careful, look. Come on.
That's what I'm talking about.
Come on.
Try it on for size.
Good call.
This will be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's light a fire.
Picture this. A roaring fire right here.
Oh.
Our grass. So glad we came out.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Feels good.
Time for some steak soon.
Oh yeah, filet mignons. Let's.
That was a hot.
It's snowing again. The forecast said an hour of snow at like 4 p.m.
I think it's 4 to 5,
4 to 5.
something like that.
It has snowed from like 3 to now, on and off,
6:30.
6:30. But we're doing okay. This is our oil.
Beautiful.
I know it's not a lot, but like for
Yep.
Chef Elijah on the job. Manageable now? Not nearly as.
Yeah. The steak will put off some too. Do you want to get a little butter in there, Elijah?
Yes, sir.
There's some more.
All right.
Did we salt them?
Yeah, we got salt.
Got to salt.
We're doing filet mignons, mushrooms, onions, campfire bread, and we got honey butter. Kit 2 of the video.
Kit 2. When moving cast iron pans that are hot from the fire, before touching the handle with your glove, hit it with a little bit of snow, get it all in there. You're good, man. Look at this. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Grab yours, Phil.
Yeah. Down the hatch.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
so good.
That looks pretty good.
Go for it. Feel free to take that one.
Oh. Perfect.
I honestly think this is probably done.
Let's do it. Maybe leave a little bit in there for the
Yeah,
bread.
that's what I was.
Yeah.
And it is cold. Just going in like savages. Mushrooms. Oh. How's the steak?
Oh, that's perfect.
I'm down.
That onion has a really nice flavor.
It does. That's actually so good. Cooked really well too.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard to beat.
Always a clean plate out here.
Did you eat your garlic piece? I went animal mode, dude.
I might have accidentally ate.
I put it in my mouth thinking it was a mushroom.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, that's flavorful. Final bite. Oh, the swish. I like it. Oh yeah. All right. Yeasty. Oh. There, like I would have so much more space.
The thing is with it being, we do it.
I think that's quality. That's quality camp bread. I think I understand them more after today. They just bent. Casualty 1. Casualty 2. Oh my gosh.
That is like,
Oh, that's bread, dude.
that is really good.
Let's go. Yes. Dude, after this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
You can see the steam. Okay.
Smells good.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Mm.
Oh yeah. That's good. That's good bread. Those are amazing.
Yeah.
Those are actually amazing.
That really is. Where's that honey butter at?
We got some honey butter right here.
Honey butter.
Honey butter. Honey butter. That bread just by itself is amazing.
Yeah, that's
it's
what
got
I-
like that flavor from the pan, like
Yeah.
all the steak and mushroom and onion flavor in there. It's almost like a savory bread by itself. Got the salt.
Oh my god.
Think. Sink. That's good. I wouldn't say it's a huge level up.
Mm-hmm.
No, but it's good. But it's good.
Mhm.
Yeah. Maybe we need more honey and more butter. Probably.
Yeah. It's still like real. It
That
still
is
hits.
So good. Oh yeah. Once this is gone, I'm ready for bed.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, me too. Oh, true.
All right, dinner's done. Dessert is done. It was delicious. Now we're gonna get ready for bed. Here comes the wind. You can feel a little breeze.
For the kids.
Let it warm up a little bit. Buddy. Whew.
Rock hard.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're getting ready for bed. We're pretty much ready for bed, actually. The final kit for this video. The final kit is when you go to bed, when it's really cold out, you want to change all of your clothes so that none of your clothes are wet with sweat.
Grab a hot coffee.
I think we want to just go to the car.
I agree.
We made it through the night, guys. It was really windy. I'll clip some of that in now. It's super cold.
Rain fly?
Yeah, we will. It's really cold. Hurts to touch metal.
Hurts to touch everything.
Hurts to touch everything. Our boots are all frozen. Things are frozen to the ground. So we're gonna try to get out of here as quick as we can. All right, we're good.
So glad you did that.
That's driving me insane.
Are your gloves cold or they keep you warm?
They're keeping me pretty warm. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna get out of here. It's that time. The wind is brutal. Almost back. A little bit longer. Oh, what a beautiful sight. What a trip, guys. This has been amazing. To my 43 subscribers, you guys are the reason I get out here and do crazy stuff. So if you want to see more of this, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, tell me what you want me to do next. And yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but the current temperature is 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So it was pretty cold last night. Final step is seeing if we can get all the way back out to the paved roads. Last little bit of the trip. Hardcore breakfast.
Oh yeah.
We did it. It's done.